Hey there, YouTube creators! Are you struggling to increase your video views and boost your channel's success? Well, we've got a solution for you. Introducing VidIQ, the ultimate tool to supercharge your views and unlock YouTube success. VidIQ is a powerful suite of tools that provides you valuable insights into your video performance. With VidIQ's easy-to-use interface, you can dive deep into analytics, uncover new opportunities, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your content strategy. One fantastic feature of VidIQ is the Keyword Explorer. It allows you to find the best keywords for your videos, increasing their visibility and helping you rank higher in search results. Simply enter a topic, and VidIQ will suggest relevant, high-performing keywords that can make your videos shine. Another game-changing tool is the competitor analysis. With VidIQ, you can easily spy on your competitors, analyze their strategies, and stay one step ahead. Discover what's working for them, learn from their successes, and incorporate these insights into your own content. But that's not all. VidIQ also provides you with analytical insights that help you better understand your audience. Discover who your viewers are, where they're coming from, and what they're interested in. Armed with this knowledge, you can tailor your content and engage with your audience on a whole new level. Oh, and did we mention that VidIQ also has a built-in video SEO tool? This powerful feature helps you optimize your video's tags, descriptions, and thumbnails, ensuring your content gets discovered by more viewers and generates higher engagement. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to new heights and unlock the full potential of your videos, VidIQ is your secret weapon. Start your journey to YouTube success today by clicking the link in the description and trying VidIQ for yourself. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more awesome content. See you next time, and happy YouTubing!